A quick update on Alien Base here. So, looking at the weekly macro chart here, it looks to be the bottom should be in for Alien Base. It came back down to this area where it's held for a very long time after all of these red candles that spawned in here. So, we're holding over the macro low to the high 382 here. So, we are still bullish over 4. And like I said, I have to speculate kind of that the bottom should be in here for ALB. We'll see what happens though. You are starting to on the daily chart here. You can clearly see we got this little move going on here, but every time we form these little bear flags, we tend to go right back down. So we'll see how it plays out. Short-term price here on the daily chart. Let's go from the high here first to the low. You can see, yeah, right there where those candles were holding support. That is now your 236 area. So we need to get back over 5.8 to break this pattern here and confirm a bottom in, and then of course bullish over short term 7.8 here. So just keep that in mind on ALB here. And then of course on the larger time frame here from the high to the low, you can see, let me go ahead and fix this a little bit here. On the macro of things, we need to get over 7. Once we get over 7 and then bullish back over the 236, 382 at about 10 to 11, and then we can be bullish on this thing. Just remember though, being down here, this thing can come up to either of these levels, the 236 on the macro and the 382, 236, and still be bearish for a pushback down. But the good thing is we are sitting on this macro support area, so it looks to be the bottom should be in. It's not a bad time to be buying in and adding to your position on ALB. You're macro bullish and you're hitting that macro support area. Now the bigger question is, where is this thing going to end up? So from what we have on the screen, if this is the bottom from the high to the low, the new high, the 1272, you can see up here at about $1.20. That's going to get you about a 27x from today to make it up to that level there. So of course, what are your thoughts on Alien Base? None of this is financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.